Okay, so I'm dressed somewhat professional today, right? But in this video, we're gonna be talking about is how to make money online using your Instagram account. Believe it or not, whether you know it or not, there are lots of people out there making a living off of Instagram. Um, I'm one of those people who has been able to generate lots of sales using Instagram. So I know that it's a powerful traffic source, right? Whenever we're discussing making money online, I always teach in my videos, I always tell you that, the first point of you starting to generate any income online is you generating traffic. You got to have some type of traffic source in order to start to get more sales in your business. And I actually, for those of you, some of you know that I have, the email processing system as an opportunity that I offer to people who don't have an opportunity to make money online. It's basically a direct sales affiliate program that educates you and teaches you how to market your business online and how to build a brand and how to basically understand how to get sales, convert leads into sales. As well as I coach and I teach a lot of Herbalife distributors who are struggling with generating leads and generating sales for their business. So I've been very happy to announce the success that a lot of members who are students of mine in Herbalife, they're getting a lot of sales. They're starting to increase their distributors. They're starting to build their team. And one of the aspects that I teach inside of the Power Distributor Pro training course, which you can learn about the Power Distributor Pro training course, it's a course for Herbalife distributors, right? You can learn more about that in the description below this video. But how to make money on Instagram, right? How to make money on Instagram is you have to realize what Instagram allows you. What is the layout like, right? The layout of Instagram is, there's 3 photos going across, right? So you can post 3 photos, and then you can post like little mini albums, right? You could post like 5 or 6 photos for one actual space on Instagram, right? And then, but one of the most important things is your bio on Instagram. In your bio, you can write some type of ad copy, or you can write some type of information about you, about your service, about your product, about your brand. That's what the point of a bio is so you can let people kind of get into your world a little bit, right? So um, Instagram is really made to allow you to promote nice pictures and stuff like that. But also, I've seen a lot of memes and quotes get a lot of likes and a lot of engagement. I know even for my Instagram, I get a lot of engagement on the quotes that I put, like a lot of wisdom quotes, a lot of like knowledge-based quotes. Because I guess the people who are following me, they find that to be very valuable to them. So it's not just about pictures, right? Instagram is also about quotes. You can post memes. You can also post little mini video clips as well that can get a lot of engagement. But whatever you do, the holy grail to making money on Instagram is you gotta post valuable content. The content has to be valuable. So that means if you're just posting nice lifestyle pictures, that's cool and all, but make sure to have some type of valuable caption, a caption that's valuable, right, to your audience of people. Now, if you're in a business, 9 times out of 10, something of value to people will be some type of quote that either you came up with or a quote from another very successful person that motivates people, a quote that inspires people, a quote that gives people information on maybe your product or your service. You always want to post value. Value is king when you talk about marketing on Instagram, because you can basically write an unlimited caption. There's no limit to the caption you can put on Instagram. But if you do want to post like a video, there's a 1 minute limit at this time. So, but realize that you got to put value. So even if you're posting video clips on your Instagram, provide valuable content to your audience, right? If you're a comedian, for example, you may not want to talk about business all the time, right? You may not want to share only value on business unless you can do it in a comedic way, unless you can do it in a funny way where the people who are following you on Instagram are responsive to your videos, giving value about business because it's still funny, right? So if you're a comedian and you're building a following around your comedy, you still got to be funny, right? like that's the value. That's literally the value exchange. So that's as far as whatever you post. Always post value. Another thing that you can post, I work with a lot of Herbalife distributors, and I always tell them it's important for them to post before and after pictures of either how they lost weight, right? The person who's promoting on their Instagram, or you can show before and after pictures from other distributors or other people who are using the Herbalife products. And that's valuable to that community, right? Before and after pictures are very valuable to the fitness, lifestyle, and weight loss community, because people need to see that. They need to see the proof to know that your products are working. And then from there, they're more interested to hit you up to find out about how they can buy those products, how they can access those products. I just had a student the other day, he made over $200 in Herbalife following my training because he helped somebody get a product that they really found to be beneficial to them, right? And I think he got over $200 commission straight to his bank account. He showed me the snapshot from Herbalife. So there's many different ways that you can promote value on your Instagram. Also, you can do videos, mini video clips talking about your products, talking about your journey, talking about maybe, you know, the fact that you've made more money in your business, or the fact that you've lost more weight from the products you've been using. But what I want you to know is you need to cater to the audience. So you want to have your content that you post on Instagram, that content has to be related to whatever it is that you're selling, or whatever it is, the service that you're providing to people. You get what I'm saying? That makes sense, right? Because if it's not related, then if you have a whole bunch of people who are looking for something that has nothing to do with what you're selling or promoting, the odds of you making a sale are going to be much lower, as opposed to if everything is kind of in sync, right? If the value, like I know one of my Instagram accounts is Mr. 300 to Freedom, right? And that's basically me showing a lot of proof, giving value on how to make money online, and also providing people with the email processing system opportunity to people who don't have an opportunity to make money online. So that page allows me to post stuff about making money online, different strategies and different tips and different tricks to be able to build a business online and earn passive income, which is basically all passive income is the ability for you to make money in your sleep, the ability to make money while you're at work, you know. So the next thing also when it comes to making money on Instagram is your bio, right? I just want to expound a little more on your bio. In your bio, if you log into your Instagram account and you click on edit profile, you'll be able to create yourself a bio, right? A little short amount of information about your product, about your service, letting people know who you are. What are you, an entrepreneur? Are you a teacher? Are you a Herbalife distributor? Are you an email processing system member? Are you a MLM coach, mentor? What are you? So you put in your bio what you are, what you represent, and you can, you know, talk about, like, put the name of your product or your service or something like that. Now, also, this is very, very important, because this is going to be the difference between those who listen to what I'm about to say is going to be the difference between success and failure for a lot of people. Just this one thing I'm about to say about Instagram marketing and making money on Instagram. There's a part where you can put in a website. You can put a website link into your bio, and that website link will be hyperlinked, so it's clickable to anybody who comes, who basically discovers your Instagram page. So in your bio, what I see, like I always tell a lot of Herbalife students that I teach, I see a lot of them, they just have the link to their Herbalife website. So basically, the person would click the link in their bio and just be taken to their Herbalife website where they can buy products or sign up for Herbalife, which is good. That's cool. But what I recommend you to do is, instead of just having a link that takes people directly to your website, before they go to your website, what you should really put inside of your bio is you should put a link to a capture page. A link to a capture page. And what is a capture page, you may say? A capture page is simply a page that captures some type of information from the visitor in exchange for the value that you're going to give them for them putting in their information. So I'm going to give you an example. A person, like a capture page would, the way that a capture page would operate for your business is they would click on the link in your bio. It would take them to a page that says something like, enter in your email to receive a free training on how to earn $100 per day from home, for example, right? Now, that capture page, right, it makes it where you get information from the person. Now, when they type in their email gets stored into your Aweber email list. For example, I use Aweber. That's an email marketing software. once their email stores into your list, you can follow up with those people. You got to understand, $1 million companies, they're collecting data in this way. Like, for example, when you make a Facebook account, they're collecting a whole lot of data from you. They're collecting your email, your name, your date of birth, the place that you work at, the place that you live. Like, they're collecting a lot of information. You got to start to asking yourself, why are these $1 million, $billion companies getting information for free? They're getting information so that they can follow up with you. They're getting information so that they can segment targeting on their social platform, and they can allow people to run ads on their platform because they know who are the people who live in Pakistan. They know the people who live in the United States. They know the people who live in Australia. So you, as a business person who's an independent business owner, it would be smart for you to put a capture page link in your Instagram bio so that a person could give you information before they even see the value that you have to share. Or basically, they're giving you their email or their phone number, right, or their name in the capture page so that you can follow up with them later, right? So then as that accumulates, as more and more visitors come to your capture page and put in their email or their phone number, you start to build what's called a leads list. And a leads list is the true asset to making money online, because if you don't have data and you have no way of knowing who is buying your products, if you don't have no way of knowing who is interested in getting started with you in your business this week, or you have no way of knowing who's about to get started or buy your product or join your team, you're missing out on mass sales, right? I'm just fucking being honest with you. You're missing out on a lot of fucking sales if you don't put a bio link that takes people to a capture page. Now, once they put in their email, of course, you need to send them over whatever it is that you promise them, whether that be the video that's going to show them how to make $100 a day. You know, you want to send them over the valuable content. It may be a free ebook, for example. You may give them a free video of you training them on how to work out a certain way at the gym, whatever. It could be anything it could be something you created. It can be something that somebody else created that you know is valuable to that person or to that potential customer. So just, you know, think about that. Like, what am I going to give somebody? What is going to be a value that I'm going to give somebody in exchange for their personal information, like their email or their phone number or their name or, you know, whatever. So I highly recommend you put a link to your capture page, because you're going to miss out on a lot of sales if you don't put that. Yes, it's cool to send somebody directly to your website. It's cool. Now, let's say you have a blog. You can also put the link to your blog in the bio of an Instagram account, right? Now, that could be beneficial as well to you, because you may just want somebody to come to your blog, read your content, or read more information about your product or your service or how you can help them. Maybe you're in a consulting business and you want to show people testimonials of people you've helped consulting them in your blog, right? Now, if you hear the garbage truck, please try to ignore that, right? But yeah, so that may be beneficial to you, because a person may click on the link in the bio of your Instagram. Now they come into your blog, and from your blog they can both buy the product or the service from you straight from your blog, and then hopefully you have some type of merchant account set up, like a PayPal or like a Stripe account or maybe a Cash App account, something where they get to pay you directly. But also in that blog, you may have a link in that blog that takes them to a capture page, which is more of an indirect sales approach, which is cool as well, right? So there's different ways and different strategies to go about promoting your offer on Instagram. But the moral of this video is to show you and teach you that there is a lot of money to be made on Instagram, because people are literally on that shit every fucking day, all day, scrolling down their newsfeed up and down looking for shit. So if you're not positioned in a way where you can make money, I recommend start getting positioned on there, right? And if you found this video to be valuable, if you think this video is valuable, please like, share, and comment, right? And of course, subscribe to my channel, right? Because I'm on a mission to free people. I'm on a mission to provide people with an opportunity to earn income online, so that we could do away with this bullshit nonsense. You know, I got a lot of friends who complain about their 9-to-5 jobs. They don't like their pay and stuff like that. So I decided to go on a quest and a journey, if you will, to give people information, to give people education and value on how to start a business. Maybe you don't know how to start a business, so you could come to my channel and watch a lot of my Make Money Online series, my videos about Make Money Online. I go in depth about how to position your business as a 6-figure, 7-figure business online. So Instagram marketing is very, very powerful. I want you to know that you don't just want to send somebody directly to the join page of your website. That's stupid to do. Send them to something where you can get some information from them and you give them something of value, and then you can always follow up with them later on by sending them follow-up emails, hitting them up on Facebook. Maybe you get their phone number. You may want to text them, hit them up, have a personal relationship with them. And that stuff works, right? That works for your business. So those of you who need a business, if you need a way to earn $100, 100% commissions, instant payments to your PayPal, you can join my team in email processing system. You can learn more about that in the description below. If you already have a business, for example, if you're in Herbalife or something like that, you can check out the description below as well and learn more about my Power Distributor Pro training course, which will teach you how to take your Herbalife business to the next level. I'm so proud of the people on my team who have been killing it. They've been succeeding and making a lot of money. Really quick, before I end this video, right? Email processing system is an educational platform. It teaches you sales, marketing, how to network. It teaches you how to build a brand online, and it teaches you how to basically, it gives you training on how to sell whatever it is you're trying to promote. It doesn't matter what you're trying to promote online, but not only does it give you training, it's also a business opportunity, a direct sales business opportunity as well. So once you click the link below and you get started on my team, I'm gonna get notification right away that you invested the $100, right? The $100 covers your 3 training courses, right? It comes with 3 training courses, which total in about 30 training modules of video content, right? That you can watch and log in and watch at any given time that you please. And then you apply those trainings and you start making money online, right? You start making money on Instagram. You start making money on Facebook. So in this video, I told you how to make money on Instagram, but the email processing system education platform goes more in depth into how to do that stuff. It's literally step-by-step trainings over the computer screen showing you what to do, how to set up your business, how to set up your website from scratch, right? So this is for people who don't have a business at all. A one-time fee investment of $100. Anybody who joins you in email processing system, they get to invest as well with you to get started, because they're going to need the education to learn how to run their business. You get that instant payment of $100 for each and every person who joins you in your team. Now, of course, there is a $25 and a $50 lower level that you can get, right? But I don't recommend those levels because it limits your income potential. If you get the $100 one, you save yourself $75. If you get it initially, you get the $100 joining package, save yourself $75, and you get access to all the training packages. I wouldn't want to have you at a disadvantage and only have you have the first or the second training level. So that's why I highly, highly recommend you get the $100 package, pay that one-time fee, and you never have to worry about investing again, right? And then you make the $100 commission over and over and over again. Instant payments to your PayPal. Now I'm ranting and raving, so I'm gonna shut the fuck up now, and I'm gonna tell you, peace out. This is Jonathan Belcher. Hit me up, comment below. Yeah, check out the links below. I'm gonna see you at the top. Peace.